Bilge system. The engine room bilges on most ships have oily water. This is because leaks from various machineries and systems finally find their way into the bilges. However, some ships maintain a clean bilge condition without any water or oil leaks in the engine room. The oily bilges should never be pumped directly overboard. On most ships today, the engine room bilges, usually located at the four corners of the engine room, is first transferred to a decanting tank. Here, they are allowed to settle and separation of oil takes place by gravity. The tank is also provided with steam heating as heating assists separation. Oil is skimmed from the top or drained to the sludge tank. The water is drained to the bilge holding tank. From here, the bilge water is pumped overboard through the oily water separator, and the oil concentration of the effluent, the discharge water, does not exceed 15 parts per million. The separated oil from the oily water separator discharges into a sludge tank. Sludge tanks are storage tanks for oily water with high percentage of oil and little water. The sludge pumps transfer the oily sludge to the incinerator waste oil tanks, after which they are incinerated in the incinerator.